How to know if someone blocked you on iMessage? Let's jump right into the steps. Very first step is to go on to someone's message of whom you think they have blocked you. And then after that, you can see if they have blocked you or not by sending message to them. If the message says delivered or sent, that means they have not blocked you. And if it says unable to send, then that means they have blocked you on iMessage. Or other thing that you can do is you can directly call them. If the call is received by them, you can directly ask them if did you block me or not and why did you block me. And if they don't receive the call, you have to wait. And if the call is unable to contact, then that means they have straight up blocked you on iMessage. That is a very simple way on how you can know if someone blocked you on iMessage. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.